Welcome to day 25, Mexican Hat Dance. Look for the patterns before you play any piece of music. If you look at the first three measures and compare it to another three measures somewhere in the piece, they're identical. So once you practice that section, you don't have to double practice. Practice smartly, practice surgically, practice just the little accent notes. Let's try the accent notes first before we play, and then I'll play the melody and then the harmony the second time, and you can play the melody along with me. This is in 3, so I'll give 1, 2, 3, 1, and then you come in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Harmony. 1, 2, 3, 1. Thanks for playing Mexican Hat Dance with me. Hopefully you caught the patterns, and even if you can't play the whole thing, just play the first note of every measure. Anytime you play music, and work on it with your teacher. Keep practicing and you'll get better. Have a great day.